Top 5 Best Folding Workbenches. Number 5. TLGREEN Multifunctional Folding Worktable. The TLGREEN 7-in-1 Multifunctional Workbench is a versatile powerhouse, capable of transforming into a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck. With a load capacity of 330 pounds, it's robust enough for various applications, from carpentry to moving heavy objects. What sets this workbench apart is its adjustable height and super stable triangular design supported by heavy-duty aluminum legs and steel frames. Its versatility extends to its tabletop, which features a detachable tool tray and quick clamp holes, though clamps are not included. The table's 4 heavy-duty wheels, 2 of which have brakes, allow for smooth transitions between workbench and moving modes, while its self-adjustable mats ensure stability on uneven floors. No assembly is required, and its compact design makes it highly portable. This workbench is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, contractors, and anyone who values multifunctionality in a single. Coming in number 4, Lincoln K53341 Portable Welding Table Folding Workbench. The Lincoln K53341 is designed for those who need a portable yet heavy-duty solution, especially for welding projects. Its large 44-inch by 21-inch work surface is made from 12-gauge steel, providing ample space and durability for even the toughest jobs. Strategically placed 16mm holes and large slots allow for easy mounting and clamping of any shape or project, making this workbench extremely flexible for various tasks. One of its best features is the double locking legs, which offer both quick height adjustments and easy folding for storage. At just 8 inches tall when folded, it's compact and easy to store, and its built-in handle makes it highly portable. Despite its foldable design, it supports up to 500 pounds, making it ideal for both home and professional use. Whether you're welding, cutting, or mounting, the Lincoln K53341 offers the durability and portability to meet the needs of heavy-duty projects, all while remaining easy to set up and transport. Coming in number 3. Disston 30146A OmniTable 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. If you're looking for a multifunctional workbench, the Disston OmniTable is hard to beat. This 4-in-1 workbench doubles as a scaffold, dolly, and creeper, providing unparalleled versatility. Adjustable height legs ensure comfort for various tasks, and its non-slip work surface, 37.5 by 18.3 inches, accommodates projects of up to 500 pounds. Not just a sturdy workbench, the OmniTable is loaded with features to make any project easier. It comes with a 110-volt power strip for power tools, a built-in ruler and protractor, and slots for holding screws, nails, and drill bits. Additionally, its steel hammer surface adds durability for heavy-duty jobs. The OmniTable's portability, it weighs only 32 pounds, and compact design make it easy to store when not in use, while its convenient carry handle makes transport a breeze. For those who work across multiple trades or need a versatile all-in-one solution, this workbench excels. Coming in number 2, BLACK+DECKER WM425A Portable Workbench. The BLACK+DECKER WM425A Workmate Project Center is a classic, known for its versatility and rugged stability. With a load-bearing capacity of 550 pounds, it's perfect for tasks like carpentry, woodworking, and automotive projects. The workbench features adjustable jaws, vertical clamping, and 4 adjustable swivel pegs to handle irregularly shaped objects. Its one-handed clamp system adds efficiency, enabling you to adjust vice clamps together or independently. The dual height adjustment makes it versatile for different types of projects, whether you're planing wood or sawing. For users who need leverage, the under-the-table footrest provides additional stability, making tasks like painting, varnishing, and cutting safer and more precise. This model's compact folding design allows it to be set up or stored in seconds, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space or who need to move the bench between jobs. Coming in number 1, Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Worktable. The Worx Pegasus stands out as a workbench and sawhorse combo, offering a seamless transition between the two. It folds up quickly and is easy to transport, making it ideal for those who need mobility without compromising on sturdiness. Despite its lightweight construction at only 30 pounds, it can support up to 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Made from durable ABS plastic with steel supports, it's built to last through numerous projects. One of its standout features is the expandable design that allows you to add another Pegasus or similar tables for a larger workspace. The integrated clamping system, which includes two 24-inch quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, ensures that any project, whether irregularly shaped or standard, stays in place. Additionally, it comes with a built-in measuring guide for added convenience. This portable and reliable workbench is ideal for DIYers and professionals alike, offering a large surface area, 31 by 25 inches, for various tasks like woodworking, painting, and repairs.